डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आइए आज कुछ गैस वर्क करते हैं। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको 9th क्लास के जनरल मैथ की ऐसी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशंस बताऊंगा जो कि आपको इम्तिहान में आने के 100% चांसेस हैं और ये तमाम डेफिनेशंस स्मार्ट सिलेबस के मुताबिक हैं। प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि मेरे चैनल पर जो ही नए वीडियोज़ आएँ वो आपको फौरी मिल सकें और आपकी अच्छी तैयारी हो सके। बहुत शुक्रिया। डिफाइन करंट अकाउंट, डिफाइन कॉन्सिक्वेंट इन अ रेशो, डिफाइन एक्सट्रीम्स एंड मीन्स इन अ प्रोपोर्शन। व्हाट इज प्रोपोर्शन? डिफाइन मार्क अप, डिफाइन द टर्म टैक्स। What is the difference between direct and inverse proportion? What is nisab? Who is sahib nisab? Explain exposed and unexposed wealth with examples. Define zakat. What is sale price? Who is exempted from zakat? Define foreign currency or foreign exchange account. What is term deposit account? Define marked price, list price, and discount. Define insurance policy. What is negotiable instrument? What do you mean by the term insured? What is premium? Define the term insurer. Define percentage. Also give example. Explain the term ratio with an example. Define antecedent in a ratio. Define the following terms: bonus, check, pay order, bank draft. What do you mean by a credit card? Define ATM and ATM card. What do you know about online banking? What is a complement in set theory? What is meant by A union B? Define a set. What is cost price? Define inheritance. What do you know about usher? What is the difference between direct and indirect tax? What is sales tax? What is down payment? What is arrange our data? Define standard deviation. Define variance. What is property tax? Define excise duty. What is meant by radical and radicands? What is geometric mean? Define geometric sequence. Define a universal set. What do you mean by exponent? Define common logarithm. What do you mean by tax return? Define scientific notation. What is the difference between characteristic and mantissa? Define a sequence. Define arithmetic sequence. What is arithmetic mean? Define a real number. What is meant by moving average? Define quartiles. Define mod. If A and B are two sets, what is meant by A minus B? What is meant by A intersection B? What is meant by ogive? Define cumulative frequency. Define geometric mean. What is histogram? Define median. What is frequency polygon? What is meant by harmonic mean?